Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you around bybit so that you see how bybit really works. Okay, so we're going to see the whole complete bybit overview today. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified bybit account, and let's do this. If you do not have a verified bybit account, I'll drop a link for you to use and sign up into a bybit account. Okay, so all you just need to do is to also make sure you have a working smartphone and a network connections. Okay, before I go into this deeply, I'd like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across to this channel, and as well like my videos and share my videos. Okay, so what we're going to see today is bybit overview. First thing, we're going to start from deep down here. We're going to start from deep down here. Okay, so first thing you need to see or you need to check is what we call home. So this home is where we are already. Okay, and there's markets and there's others. Okay, so in home, this is the home already. This is where you see your asset here. You see bybit n here. You see bybit n here. You see web3 here. You see card here. You see reward here, invite here, copy trading here, trading bot here, and more. Okay, so you can see how these are, and you also see a spot trading here. You see favorites here, you see derivative, you see spot, you see gainers, you see new. So the favorite means the favorite coin of this very app. It will all be displayed to you here. The derivative, if you know derivative is more of the spot trading. It's more of the feature trading on Binance. Here it is called derivative, and this is spot trading, or you can trade spot. In this gainers, you see the top coin that have been doing well for the past 24 hours. Okay, you see top coin that have been doing well for the past 24 hours. Okay, so and in the new, click on the new. In the new, you see the recent launched coin, which are the ones here. You can see the recent launched coin here, right? You can see them, see pool and the others. Okay, so if you go to market is where you see all coin kind of your choice. Market is where you can run your arbitrage. You buy in between this and sell to that. Okay, now when you find any coin here under BTC, and you find the same coin here under USDT, you can run arbitrage between them. Okay, let's say under BTC, how much BTC? How much is ETH 0.55, and under USDT, how much is ETH 3600. Okay, and under that, how much is 3700. Okay, so these are kind of nice arbitrage you can run and keep making money for yourself. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do is to check the derivative, which I told you that you can buy long or buy low. Okay, which I already told you that you can buy long or buy low, which is buy long or sell short. Okay, so that is for that. And under trade here, under trade, this is where you find the coin to buy. Okay, under trade, this is where you buy the coin, you see the coin to buy. Okay, and under asset is where you see the fund. Okay, under asset is where you see your you see your fund. Okay, so I will show you the rest around. later in my video. So thank you so much for staying. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end of this very video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.